and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about bunnies. Yes, we're going to be talking about bunnies. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're not actually talking about bunnies today. So today I'm going to be doing a music trivia thing. Let me just screenshot it and show you the app. It's this. I don't know much about like pop music and all that, but I'm gonna screen record. So I open the app. It's loading. I wonder if I can use this without Wi-Fi so then there's no ads. Nope, I don't need this. Let's see. Does it work without Wi-Fi? I think it works. Let's see, pop music. The volume's on, so it's not playing. Maybe I gotta put earbuds in. Please don't blast my ears. Well, it looks like you guys can't hear, but there's someone like you. I know that. I turned off my Wi-Fi. So basically, I don't listen to that much music. Oh, I need to have internet. Oh well. Just put the internet back on. Just gonna keep retrying. Oops. There's no one. It was paused. Hold on. You guys will be able to hear it. Maybe not. Hold on. Gotta put earbuds in. Technical difficulties. Let's try this again. Shawn Mendes. I think that's how you say his name. That's a weird name, but okay, I don't need a treasure chest. Skip. Oh, there it is. Please don't be commercial. Please don't be commercial. Please don't be commercial. Please don't be commercial. Britney Spears. It kind of sounds like her. Well, I'm not alive, so we're gonna use something different then. We're switching to music theory. Oh, I should screen record this. Music theory. You can't see it. But screen recording right now. Screen recording. Let's do sight reading. Actually, intervals. Let's see how good that is. We'll do practice mode. Let me just do the tutorial. Let's see, interval tutorial. Okay, maybe we're not doing that. Let's just do sight reading. Practice mode. Bass clef has come to haunt me. All cows eat grass, so this is a G. That's G. F, G, D, have no idea. Let's see. That's F. E, D, G, G, A, B, E, B, B, G, F. Also in the background you'll hear my baby bunny. G, C, B, E, F. I knew that was A. But look at that. Pretty good. Well, I think I'm going to stop right here. Let me just stop screen recording. Basically, this is a short video than what I wanted to happen, but at least I figured out some pop songs. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out my social media. The links are down in the description. And I still need more songs. I only got less than 10. So I'm going to put the video in the little corner over here, or over here. I don't know which one it is. And I want you guys to comment down below what song you want me to learn. And make sure you say what instruments, otherwise I'm just going to choose one. So, thanks for watching. Bye!